Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a closer look at something that gets a lot of buzz, the Amazon renewed Apple iPhone 14.
Right. Lots of interest there.
Yeah, and maybe some worry, too. Our mission today is really to cut through all the product listings, the almost 6,000 reviews, and give you the actual data you need to navigate what we're calling the refurbished lottery.
It's a good term for it.
Because, honestly, getting a top-tier iPhone 14 for way less, that's tempting.
Oh, absolutely. That price point is the first thing that grabs you, isn't it? An excellent condition. iPhone 14 listed at $355.73.
Wow, okay.
Compare that to a brand new one at, what, $629.99? It's a huge difference.
That is a serious saving. But like with most deals that seem amazing, there's usually another side to it, right?
Yeah.
What's the trade-off here with Amazon Renewed?
Exactly. And that's where this refurbished lottery idea really hits home. You can actually see it in the customer reviews.
That's so.
They form this kind of U-shape. You've got lots of really happy people on one side, about 77% give it high marks. They love it.
Okay, that sounds good.
But then on the other end, you have a significant chunk, 15%, who run into major problems.
15%. So doing the math, that's like roughly 1 in 7 buyers having a bad experience.
Pretty much. A fundamentally poor outcome?
Yeah.
It's a roll of the dice, and you need to know those odds going in.
Yeah, 1 in 7 makes you definitely pause. Okay, so refurbished tech. First question is always the battery, right? What's the deal with battery health?
So Amazon Renewed officially guarantees greater than 80% capacity.
Yeah.
But here's the thing you absolutely need to understand. That 80% is the minimum they promise, not what they aim for. A lot of buyers find they get phones with health maybe in the low 80s.
So you could be starting with nearly 20% less battery life than a new phone.
Potentially, yes.
Yeah.
And if you're a heavy user, that could mean your phone doesn't make it through the day. A real practical impact.
Definitely something to factor in. Okay, what about how it looks? The physical condition. Amazon has those tiers like excellent, good.
Right. Excellent, good, and acceptable. Excellent is supposed to mean no scratches or damage visible from 12 inches away. A foot.
Sounds pretty clear.
It sounds clear, but here's another potential issue. Consistency. It really can vary quite a bit between the different third-party sellers on the platform.
Ah, okay.
So even an excellent phone might have some micro scratches you'd notice if you looked really closely. The key takeaway for you is inspect it very carefully as soon as it arrives. Make sure it matches what you paid for.
Good advice. Now, thinking beyond that initial price, hidden costs, the listing says it comes with a generic MFI certified charging cable. Are we good to go for fast charging?
No, not quite. MFI certified is good. It means it's safe for your iPhone, won't damage it. Apple approved, basically.
Correct.
But it doesn't mean it supports fast charging. For the iPhone 14's fast charge, you need a specific USB-C power adapter and a USB-C to Lightning cable.
And those don't come in the box?
Nope. So you're looking at maybe another $38 or so you'll need to spend if you want that faster charging speed.
So that $355 price suddenly creeps up towards $400 just for proper charging. Worth knowing.
What about performance? The iPhone 14 has that A15 Bionic chip, which is still really powerful.
It is, and performance should be exactly the same as a new phone. Gaming, demanding apps, it should handle them fine.
Should be.
Right. But if you do notice weird things like the battery draining way too fast and causing the phone to slow down, that's throttling, or if it gets unusually hot, that could point to a refurbishment that wasn't quite up to par. And those are definitely things you'd want to use the guarantee for.
Speaking of the long haul, what about how long this phone will last? Apple's generally great with software updates.
They are. The iPhone 14 should get iOS updates until at least 2027, maybe even 2029, based on past history. That's excellent long-term value on the software side.
And physically, any changes with the 14?
Actually, yes, and this is a big plus. The iPhone 14 is designed to be much more repairable than older models.
Oh, how so? Both the front screen and the back glass can be removed independently. So if you crack the back glass, really common repair, it's way cheaper to fix on the 14. That boosts its long-term value proposition quite a bit.
That's a really good point. Makes it less risky long-term. So with all these variables, battery lottery, cosmetic checks, potential hidden costs, that return policy seems pretty vital.
It's not just vital, it's absolutely essential. That 90-day Amazon Renewed guarantee isn't just a nice-to-have feature.
Right.
You must treat it like a mandatory intensive testing period. Check the cameras, the speakers, Wi-Fi, cellular signal, run games, make calls. everything. Don't let that 90-day window close unless you are 100% satisfied.
Okay, so bringing it all together for you, the listener, we've looked at the price, the risks, the details. What are the absolute must-knows?
I'd say there are 4 critical things to really weigh up before you hit buy. First, know that battery health is a lottery, that 80% is a floor, not the average. Be prepared for potentially lower capacity.
Got it. Number 2.
Second, when it arrives, do an immediate, really thorough physical inspection. Look for any scratches or marks that don't match the condition you paid for.
Okay. Third,
use that 90-day guarantee relentlessly. It's your safety net. Test every single feature. Treat it like a mandatory trial.
makes sense. And the last one.
And finally, number 4, use Apple's own certified refurbished program as your benchmark. An iPhone 14 direct from Apple costs more $529 currently. But you get a brand new battery, a new outer shell, and a full 1-year Apple warranty.
So you compare the Amazon saving against that package.
Exactly. Is saving that extra money on Amazon worth giving up the new battery, the new shell, the longer warranty, and frankly, the peace of mind? That's the core question for you.
So crunching all that, we scored the Amazon renewed iPhone 14 a 72 out of 100 overall, and its bang for buck rating comes in strong at 8 out of 10.
Just a solid score, reflecting that potential value. But maybe a final thought for you to consider.
Sometimes the real cost of a deal isn't just the money. It's also the mental energy, the time spent checking, maybe dealing with a return. How much is guaranteed peace of mind worth versus those cash savings? That's a personal calculation.